imitate. He is very good at imitating his father walk. The small baby imitated her mother. Nibble. He started to nibble his biscuits. The bread had been nibbled by mice. Drool. The boy was drooling from his mouth. Babies drool a lot when they are teething. Gulp. He took a large gulp of wine from the bottle. He drank the glass of whiskey in one gulp. Appetite. When I was ill I completely lost my appetite. Blush. I can't stop blushing when I see my crush. I always blush when I speak in public. Graze. The sheep are grazing in the fields. I saw a horse grazing in the meadow. Lick. The little boy is licking the ice cream cone. The cat was licking its fur. Sip. The tea is very hot, so sip it carefully. He took a sip of his coffee. Gobble. Eat slowly and don't gobble. Don't gobble your food like that.